Hey guys, you are watching Rameem Daim Arts. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are well. My little sister today asked me to decorate her mobile cover according to her choice. I hope you guys will also like this mobile decorative piece. So stay connected guys till the end of the video. Guys, transform your mobile cover into a personalized masterpiece by exploring various decoration ideas. Start with a clean base. A clear or solid colored cover works well. One approach is decoupage, where you can use cutouts from magazines, photos, or decorative paper. Apply a layer of glue or Mod Podge to the cover. Carefully the base cutouts and seal with another layer of glue, and this method allows for endless customization guys, from creating theme designs to showcasing favorite images. Guys, you can also try doodle art on the decorative paper and paste it on mobile cover. It will also look like amazing. Another easy yet stylish idea is to use nail polish on the mobile cover. Yes, you can use it. Guys, we are almost finishing our design, and yes, it's done. My sister feels happy after like this. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. Don't forget to watch other videos of my channel guys.